Hola clase, bienvenidos, and welcome to your first day of e-learning. Hoy es martes, el 4 de diciembre. Aquí es donde nos dirigimos hoy. So today we will start our class just like we would any other day with our daily warm-up. However, today it's going to be a little bit different. It's just going to be you and me today. I will be doing some speaking with you, habla con señora group, and you will do some responding to me. Now I know I won't be able to hear you, but you need to use integrity and actually do the responding that is being asked of you because practice does make perfect even in la clase de español. So let's go ahead and jump into e-learning warm-up. So we're going to start with la fecha. What will happen is I will read the date, and then I'd like you to give it a try. And just read it. Again, I know I won't be able to hear you, but do your personal best. Here we go. Hoy es martes, el 4 de diciembre, 2018. You go ahead and read today's date. Muy bien. Now let's do yesterday's date. Ayer fue lunes, el 3 de diciembre, 2018. You give yesterday's date a try. Muy bien. Last, let's do tomorrow's date. Mañana es el 5 de diciembre, 2018. Let me hear you read tomorrow's date. Muy bien, clase. You did a great job with la fecha. So let's do some more. We've been talking about counting, so let's do los números. 0 a la 20. So 0 to 20 in Espanol. So here's how this will work. I will show a number to you on the screen. So you should say it in Spanish. I'll give you a little bit of time, and then I will tell you what your answer should have been so you can check your understanding. Here we go. 0. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. 17. 18. 19. 20. Oh, muy bien, clase. You counted all the way to 20. 0 al 20. Muy bien. Keep counting, keep practicing. In fact, I'm pretty sure you're going to count past 20 for your assignment today. So just as a reminder, remember that you are going to complete your Par Empezar for today as well, and it is week 7. So let's say hasta pronto to our daily warm-up. Great job. All right. So let's get into what your assignment is for today. Your assignment is called Cuenta. If you remember from the song we sing in class, Cuenta means count. So what you're going to do is you are going to be creating a recording of you counting from 0 to 30 in Spanish. You should use your Los Números notes to help you. So hopefully you took your notebook home like I told you to, and you have that notebook available so you can use those notes to help you count. This assignment will be submitted via Canvas. So if you're ready to get started, let's just go ahead and click right here to access that assignment. So here is our assignment, Cuenta. And again, it says you are going to make a recording of yourself counting from 0 to 30 in Spanish. Be sure you have your Spanish notebook with you to help you with your counting. Go to Photo Booth to make your recording. You may cover your camera if you would like. I only need to hear you. But if you'd like me to see that happy face, then you can keep the camera uncovered. What you're going to do is record yourself counting from 0 to 30 in Spanish. Be sure to begin your recording by telling me that you will be counting from 0 to 30 in Spanish. And then you will submit your recording via Canvas. And remember, the submission tab will be there for you to submit. This is a media recording and it is worth 50 points. Here's how I'm going to score it. Read through the rubric and make sure that you understand. Any numbers that you miss will be minus a point. Make sure that you count in order, so start at 0 and go all the way to 30. Make sure you have that introduction that you tell me you are going to be counting from 0 to 30 in Spanish. And then I will be listening for how proficiently you are able to say those numbers in Spanish. Now, I know we have not had tons of time to practice those numbers, but try your personal best to say them the way that we have been singing them and repeating them in class. So that is your assignment for your e-learning for today. Again, if you have any questions, make sure that you send me an email, and my email address is right here, agroove@hccsc.k12.in.us, or you can send me a message through Canvas. Remember, here is where you will access your assignment, and go ahead and get started. Buena suerte clase. Good luck. Adios. Hasta mañana.